What kind of soil succulents need? Why do you need a fast-draining soil mixture for your succulents and not the usual moisture-rich soil other plants prefer? Most plants we are used to need to constantly absorb water to keep their turgidity and therefore prefer the soil that holds a lot of moisture, and the longer it is kept moist, the better for them. While succulents prefer the roots dry most of the time. Succulents' roots will rot when constantly exposed to wet soil longer, and obviously because the longer they stay on wet ground, the more water they take in, disaster could happen. Therefore, you need to grow them in a medium that will allow them to absorb some water for a short period of time and dries out fast. A simple soil mixture, maybe 2 or 3 components, as long as it delivers the result that you want, can make your succulents happy. Creating your own soil mixture is better because you can adjust it depending on what succulent plants you are growing in your area. But you can also use the ready-made cactus soil sold in the stores. That is true with most succulents from the Crassulaceae family. But when you're dealing with succulents belonging to the Cactaceae family or the Isoaceae family that are more sensitive to excess water, you might need to tweak the components a little bit to provide even faster drainage. You can have the best soil mixture, but if you do not understand how to use it or work with it, you'll wonder why your succulents are not showing their best of health. You need to consider the capacity of the soil to hold water and take into consideration the factors that speed up or reduce the rate of water evaporating from the soil, like their sunlight exposure, humidity level, their location, as well as the materials and sizes of the planters you are using. When plants are in locations with good air circulation or exposed in full sun, the soil dries out fast. And between planters that are huge and tall and planters that are shallow and wide-mouthed, the soil dries out fast in those with wide mouth and shallow planters.